And now we have to compute the limit n go to infinity of Jn. Okay. Equal to limit n go to infinity of Jn equal to this limit, limit n go to infinity of the sum k from 1 to n 1 over k power a multiplied by sine of b natural log of 1 over k. Yes. And here, to compute this, I mean compute limit n go to infinity of Jn, it's not difficult. Why? Because we have compute limit n go to infinity of In already. And we can use this. We can use this. They are in the same form. So, do ask the same manner as computing limit n go to infinity of In. That is, we choose the same sequence xk and ck. We choose the same xk and ck in computing what? In computing limit n go to infinity of In. And then we use the Riemann integration definition also to the limit n go to infinity of Jn. So we get then limit n go to infinity of Jn will be equal to integral from e power negative 2 power 15 pi to 3 over 2 of x power a minus 3 over 2 and multiplied by sine of b natural log of 1 over x dx. Yeah. You can check. Do at the same manner. In fact, we did not necessary to check because you see the form of limit n go to infinity of Jn and limit n go to infinity of In are the same. It just changed from cos to sine, sine to cos here. So we can calculate in the same manner, right? Okay. So from this, we can continue to calculate this integration. So again, we use the changing of variable. Yeah. Let's v equal to natural log of x. So then you get these 2 points. You get x equal to e power v, and you get dv equal to 1 over x dx, right? And from this you get x equal to e power v, and you get dx equal to x dv. Yeah. And because of x equal to e power v, so you get this one, x equal to e power v, and this dx equal to e power v dv. Okay? And the value are the same as before. If x equal to e power negative 15, negative 2 power 15 pi, then you get v equal to negative 2 power 15 pi. Okay? And if x equal to 3 over 2, then v equal to what? Natural log of 3 over 2. So you can calculate this equation. Okay, let me leave this, limit and go to infinity of in here. I will use it later, right? Maybe I use this later so I don't omit it. Okay, so from this you get limit and go to infinity of jn 21. Integration from negative 2 power 15 pi to natural log of 3 over 2, and then this e power v power a minus 3 over 2 and multiply by sin bv, right? Multiply by e power v dv. Yeah. So then you get this equal to integration from negative 2 power 15 pi natural log of 3 over 2, right? This one you get e power v a minus 3 over 2 multiplied by e power v, you get e power e minus 1 over 2 v multiplied by sin bv dv. Okay, and for this, what are you familiar with this? Yeah, as you review you like this, we have part, we have L. You remember the integration L formula that I have gave you in the previous video in the literature review, right? So L equal to what? Integration of e power ax sin bx. You get from this 1 over a square plus b square multiplied by 1 negative b cosine negative b e power ax, cosine bx plus a e power ax sin bx. You got it? You remember it? Yeah. So by using these error formulas, I can get this. Yeah, I can get limit n go to infinity of jn equal to 1 over a minus 1 over 2 power 2 plus b square multiplied by negative b e power a minus 1 over 2 v and cosine bv plus a minus 1 over 2 multiplied by e power a minus 1 over 2 v and saying BV. And starting from the lower base, if negative 2 power 15 pi, and the lower base natural log of 3 over 2. Yeah. And do at the same manner as in recruiting ion, you replace the upper base minus replacing lower base, so you get this one, right? So we get 1 over 2 a minus 1 over 2 square plus b square. Yeah, and you replace this by natural log 3 over 2, you get negative b e power a minus 1 over 2 natural log of 3 over 2 multiplied by cosine b natural log 3 over 2. This plus a minus 1 over 2 e power a minus 1 over 2 multiplied by natural log 3 over 2 multiplied by sine of b natural log 3 over 2. This because of I replace the upper base of the integration, so you have to minus the replacing integration by the variable of integration by lower base replaced by negative 2 power of 15 pi. So from this I get like plus b e power a minus 1 over 2 because of you replace by negative 2 power 15 pi, so this one you get plus. Also here you get negative, so 2 power 15 pi multiplied by cosine cosine of your b, you can say 2 15 pi b. Why? Because in fact first we get this by negative 2 power 15 pi, you get cosine of negatives, but we use the formula cosine of negatives and get positive cosine, right? So you get this one. And here you get, you get plus also. Why? You replace in this term by negative 2 power 15. So because of minus sign here, you subtract, right? Subtract, and then you get sign of negative here. So negative plus, multiplied by negative, you get plus. So you get a minus 1 over 2 e power negative a minus 1 over 2 power what? Power this one 2 15 pi multiplied by sign of 15 pi b, like this. Yeah. So I do it again. I write something related to b and something related to a minus 1 over 2. I associate the term related to b and associate the term related to a minus 1 over 2. So I get like this. Yeah. So you can say limit and go to infinity of Jn equal, right? 1 over a minus 1 over 2 power 3 plus b square multiplied by a minus 1 over 2 here. So you get a minus 1 over 2 multiplied by what? This one sign, right? E power a minus 1 over 2 natural log 3 over 2 multiplied by sin 3 over sin of b natural log 3 over 2, right? And plus here e power negative a minus 1 over 2 2 power 15 pi, yeah, 15 pi multiplied by sin 15 pi p. Yes, this is the term related to a minus 1 over 2, and another thing, the term related to b. So I have to factorize negative b because you know why? I want to get the same term in limit n goes to infinity of in. The term related to cosine b, or I can say related cosine, you can see here again. That's why I don't omit this one. Here, you get e power a minus 1 over 2 natural log of 3 over 2 minus here e power negative. So I want the same form for this. I have to associate these two terms, but something that I have to factorize is negative b to get like that. Yeah. So negative b. So when you get negative this one, you get what? You get plus sign. So you get e power a minus 1 over 2 natural log 3 over 2 multiplied by cosine of b natural log 3 over 2. Yeah, and minus because you factorize negative b, so you get minus e power negative a minus 1 over 2 power multiplied by 2 power 15 pi and multiplied by cosine, yeah, multiplied by cosine of 2 power 15 pi b. Yeah,